Okay, Vishwanath is gone, huh? Okay. Who is that? Vamsiya? Vamsiya? NS 200.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Vishwanath is gone, huh? Vishwanath and Bharat. Okay. Okay, we'll start fast. So actually, see the power cut problem is there in our house. Okay, so what you are checking actually? Everybody remember that shortcut to increase the size? In Photoshop I told you, I think. Remember or not?
Yes, sir.
What is control shift less than, control shift greater than, okay? Right. Okay. So now see if you want to reduce the composition to say only 4 seconds, so what you have to do? So you can see simply right click here, composition settings, and let us keep it only 4 seconds. It's 20 seconds we got here. So you don't want 20 seconds, only 4 seconds we'll keep, okay? Right. So now what you'll do? See here, I told you about the animation. See here, just here we have an option animate. So we can just simply use the RGB here, okay? Is it clear all of you? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, see here you can actually change the color here. See here, we can actually animate it. See for example, you can turn on this stopwatch here. Let's keep it to 3 seconds, and let me actually change it here, okay? See here, and then if you hit home and spacebar, see, you can see the change. Can you see the change? So we have animated the fill color. See, and you can actually see. Okay, I am asking you a question. How we can go to the next frame by using keyboard shortcut? Anybody can tell? K. Very good. Okay, so now if you want to increase the stretch the keyframe to the end, you can do that. See, now we have created a simple animation, right? Okay, so we can actually remove this. So we'll also see some more things. See, for example, see, we also have another animation here. See, see here we have a opacity here. Okay, is it clear? So what is opacity? So you can also animate the opacity, okay? See here, and also see the one thing you can see here. See here, can you see the change? See, you can also do it manually. Just by moving this manually, you can do that, okay? Are you able to understand? See here.
Yes, sir.
So here we have some interesting things. See, you can actually animate the opacity here. Okay, see, it's actually a little bit mild. So these are some of the values. See, right now the offset is, see, can you see the change? Okay, so I can animate the offset value here. See, So I have animated the fill color and also I have animated the opacity. Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now we will see some more animations here. Okay. So this is the text. So there are so many things you can do in text actually. So you can actually animate some more options, but actually instead of showing you all these things, you can try yourself. Okay, because you can also do the hue animation. Okay, just simply select the hue and then wait a minute. See, hue means actually it's a color information actually. Okay, hue means the color information. See, can you see the change? How it's changing actually? See here. See, you can see the how it's changing. See different colors. You are able to see different colors. Okay. Are you able to understand here?
Yes, sir.
See different colors you can animate. See, for example, if you want to animate you just turn on the stopwatch. We will go to this 1 second time, and then I will change one more color here, and then I will come to the 2 second mark. I will select one more color, 3 second mark, one more color, 4 second mark, one more color. Okay. So if you go to home and then space bar, see, now you are able to see different colors here. Okay, see, we are able to animate different colors. Is it clear, all of you? Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we will see some more animations. Okay, let me actually delete this. Let me type some more text here, and I will also give you this recording of this class. Don't worry. Or you can say Mac Dilshuk Nagar. Okay, best. Right. Okay. So change the center point. Okay, so you can change the center point like this. Okay. Okay. Now see here. We can animate the text on a path actually. Okay, so where is a path actually? See here, we have a pen tool here. I think all of you have a knowledge of pen tool, right? Yes or no? Pen tool.
Yes, sir.
So see here we have a pen tool here. So I am going to create one path here using pen tool. Okay, and then to adjust the path, what you have to do, you can select this selection tool. Okay, and then you can change the handles. Nitin, are you there? Nitin?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. So we see I can change the handles, and see if you want to add some more points to this, you can add some more points here. Okay, so all these things I think you know about pen tool in Photoshop, so I don't have to tell you about the pen tool here. Okay, and if you want to delete the points, what you have to do, delete anchor point, right? Is it clear? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now what you'll do is, see, I'm going to put the text on this path. Okay, so we can do that. See here, we have options here. Okay, see, where is that option? Path options. Can you see the path option?
Yes, sir.
See now I have placed the text on this path. See, now the text is sitting on the path. How did I do that? See, I will first keep it none. Right now the text is not sitting on the path. So if you want the text to sit on the path, so what you have to do? Select the mask here. Okay, is it clear? Right. So now we can animate it. See how to animate. See, I am animating the first margin. Okay, first margin. Just select the stopwatch and let's come to the 4 second mark. Okay, you can exactly type 4 second here. Okay, and then what you'll do, I think there is nothing in the 4 second. Okay, we'll just move this one. Okay, is it clear? And then just hit home button and then space bar. See, can you see?
Yes, sir.
See, we are able to animate the text on a path. Everybody is able to understand?
Yes, sir.
See, and in case you want the animation to play a little slowly, let us try to extend the timing. Okay, let me change it to 8 seconds. Okay, so now we have a 8 second animation. Okay, see, actually we can extend it till here, 8 second. So but the animation will only be till 4 seconds. Okay, so we can extend it, right? So we can extend it till 8 second. Okay, so what will happen? Space bar. See, now it is playing little bit slowly. Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Tejaswini and others. So who is the others? Prashant. And who is the other guy? Vamshi, Prashant and some other guy.
Yes, sir.
See, Vishwanath has come or not? Vishwanath did not come, huh? And Bharat is also absent today. Bharat is also absent. Right.
Sir, which one, sir?
One Bharat is there na in our batch. Bharat is
I don't know, sir.
and Tejaswini has left or what? Again
Sir,
Tejaswini.
recorded video better. After class, keep recorded video. He asked. Vishwanath asked.
And where is Tejaswini? She was there na just now. She left, huh?
So much.
Just now I heard her voice. Suddenly she left.
Maybe signal problem.
Okay, which one have came? Tejaswini left with some problem is there. Tejaswini. See, all of you, if you are having some problem or internet problem or power cut problem, please please tell me in that WhatsApp group. Don't just disappear like that. Understand? Because if you don't tell me, I don't know why you have left. I want to know, at least know the reason why you left the class. Okay? So at least try to inform. Okay. Is it clear, all of you now? Path, how to animate the text on a path is clear, right? Huh? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you can actually see your reverse. You can do this perpendicular. Okay. See, all these things you can do actually. See now how it is. See. Let me actually reverse path off. Okay. See here. Can you see? See, we can also do one thing here. See, just I am going to select all these keyframes. Okay, we can right click and we can reverse keyframes. Are you able to understand, everyone? Time reverse keyframes. What will happen? So it will play in a reverse direction. See. Are you able to understand, everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
See, now it is playing in reverse direction. Okay. And again I want to once again reverse this animation. So right click keyframe assistant and time reverse keyframes. Again the animation is now playing in the right direction. Okay. Okay. So then again what else we can do? So if you want to change the path, you can do the change. Okay, you can change the path actually. So see, you can change the path. Are you able to understand, everyone? See here. See here, I have changed the path. Now you see. Able to understand, everyone?
Yes, sir.
See, if I again I will actually this perpendicular to path I will turn it off. Okay. See, again I have turned on, and now you can see the see that. Okay. See, you can play with these settings: perpendicular and force alignment. Are you all getting my point? See, if you turn off the force alignment, say it will again, you can see this. Okay, is it clear, all of you? Right. Everybody is able to understand how to animate on a path? How to animate on a path? Everybody understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So then we will do some more interesting animations here. So now we understood how to animate the text on a path. Okay. So what else we can do now? See here. Everybody look at these effects and presets. Okay. Are you able to see these effects and presets? Everybody is able to see the effects and presets here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. See, there are plenty of effects which you can apply to the text. Okay. There are plenty of effects which you can apply to the text, not just the path animation. Okay, and also the transform things. So see here, everybody observe the look at the screen. See here we have something called browse presets. Okay, everybody is able to see this browse preset. Browse preset, everybody is able to see.
Yes, sir.
Okay, once you click on that browse preset, see here, now this window, this is actually Adobe Bridge. So this bridge window appears, and inside the bridge window, see there are so many categories: background, behaviors, creative, etc, etc. So many things are there. But what we are interested in, see, we will only select the text, because we are right now looking at the text animations. What type of text animations we can create, those are the things we are interested in. So what we'll do, we'll double click on this text folder. See here, able to understand everyone? See here we can find plenty of animations related to what? Related to text. See, right now I have selected some of these animations. Okay, see here, center spiral, you can see. Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, some are not visible here, but you can see slow fade out. See here, all these are presets actually, means ready-made built-in things. These things directly come with for After Effects. The moment you install After Effects, you can find these things. Okay, see here how it is appearing. Okay, see the different type of effects that are available. Okay, see, this one looks nice. Okay, we will apply this one to our text. Okay, is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
See, I'm going to apply this one. Double click and let us hit spacebar. See here, can you see? See here.
Sir.
What happened? See, this is the preset animation that I have applied. Okay, and see, we can actually check the animation actually. Okay, see here, so you can see how to animate here. Okay, so you can change the offset here. Then you can actually also animate this start value and end value. Okay, right? Are you able to understand, everyone? Okay, characters, we'll put characters. Let us see what happens. Okay, nothing is happening. Okay, we will see one more animation here. Okay, so I'm going to see, right now all animation is gone. Let us apply one more animation to this. Okay, so how to apply? So just effects and presets, the right side you click here, and what you have to do, browse presets and go to the text and click on this animate in and out. Okay, are you able to understand, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So we can see some more things actually. See here, graphical is there. See, so many libraries are there here. And you can also select other things. Animate out, let us go see what we can find in animate out. See, fade out. See here, okay, see here, can you see the effect? So let us try this effect. Okay, so simply double click on that. Are you able to understand? If you double click, automatically that effect applies. Okay, some problem we got here. Okay, it has applied from first to second. Okay, see here. Can you see the change?
Yes, sir.
See how interesting it is. We can actually change the timings. See, actually it is starting from this 1 second mark. We can make it start from first second just by moving the keyframe. Okay, and go to home and spacebar. See, and if you want to reverse the animation, okay, tell me what you have to do. Anybody can tell how to reverse animation?
Select the frames and reverse.
Select the keyframes and right click, keyframe assistant, time reverse keyframes. See, now if you hit spacebar, see now it is appearing like this. Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We'll just see two more things. Okay, two more types of animations that we can do. Okay, so what we can do now? Okay, so see here, just keep your time indicator at the first frame, and again we'll see two more animations. Okay, browse presets and text, and then we'll see this. We'll see what is this graphical. Okay. This is not so interesting actually. Okay, we'll see some more things. See here, blur is there. Bullet train. Okay. Okay, this one is nice. Transponder. I will double click on this. So again, so we have applied a transporter to this. See? Able to understand, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Tejaswini, are you there?
Yes, sir.
So what happened? You have left just now, huh? You came back.
I
Huh?
just got a call, sir. Came back.
So if you have any, if you have system problem or internet problem, try to mention it in our WhatsApp group. Don't just go away without informing, okay? Everybody, I am telling you. Without telling or informing, just don't go away. Because if you tell only, I will understand. See here. See now the animation is little bit slow. Okay, we'll make it even slow. See, is it clear, all of you, the path animation and presets animation?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, I will give you one assignment here. Okay. See, the assignment is see, let me show you the assignment. See, you have to take 3 texts. Take 3 text, okay? Okay, so one text is, see everybody listen to me, okay? Movie Maya, okay? Movie Maya presents, okay? You have to first take a text that says Movie Maya presents, okay? So then next is in association, okay? In association with what do you have to do? ABC, okay? ABC pictures. Are you able to understand what I am saying? See here. First you have to start your animation with Movie Maya presents in association with ABC pictures, and then the title of the film is Firestorm. Okay? Are you getting my point? Okay? Are you able to understand, everyone? Or for all these 3 texts you have to give 3 presets. You can also use the path animation for one of these things. Okay? Are you getting my point? Okay, I will just show you a demo. Okay? So let me do one thing. Let me delete all these things. Okay, let me type from the scratch. Okay, so we'll say Movie Maya, okay, and we can type presents. Okay, are you able to understand? And let me increase the composition size to 20 seconds. Okay, 20 seconds composition size I have taken. Okay, and then we'll try to keep it over here. And let me ask you one question here. So how we can cut this? How we can cut this till here, till 3 seconds? Anybody can tell? If I want to cut this till the time indicator, okay? Cut the frame. Cut the
Alt plus close square brackets.
Very good. Others are not telling anything. What happened? Only Nitin is saying. Others are not practicing or what? And then see here, I have taken one more layer. And then what is the next thing here? In association with ABC pictures, okay? Okay, so in association with ABC pictures. Is that clear, all of you? Is it clear, all of you?
Sir.
Okay, now I have to cut from the current time indicator. Alt and
Open square bracket.
yeah. What happened, Tejaswini, Vishwanath? Nobody is saying anything. Okay, now you tell me. If I have to cut from 6th second. Tejaswini, now you tell what Vishwanath, Prashant, how we can cut till 6th second. I want to cut it till 6th second. Tell me how. Alt and
Right square.
Out and right square. Very good. Okay, don't forget here. Tell it fast. So we have this movie Maya Presents in association with ABC Pictures, and then we will take one more text here. What is that one more text? Okay.
Right.
So we will take one more text, which is Firestorm. Okay, and then let me adjust it. Let me keep it at the middle. Okay, and again I have to if you want to go to the end point of this layer, what do you have to do? Anybody can tell? End point of the layer. Remember the shortcut? Nobody can tell? End point of the layer. How we can go to the end point of the layer? This point.
End key.
What end key here? No, you see, I told you, I gave you the notes also for this. Don't remember? Wo yaar, wo. Don't remember wo? I and O. I is to start. I is to go to the start point of the layer. O is to go to the end point of the layer. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Remember these things here. Don't forget the shortcuts. Okay. And then again we have to cut from the time indicator. How? Alt and open square bracket. Okay. So like this. See. Can slightly move it. Okay. See, now we have three things. Okay. Normally if you play, nothing will happen. You don't see any animation. Okay. But now we want to give some animation to this. So how we can give? So first we have to give to this movie Maya Presents, right? Okay. So how we can give? Anybody can tell? Nobody is saying anything. See, you can see that. See, okay, we'll try this bubble pulse. So simply double click on this. So it will apply to this this one. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
See, then we can actually will open this. Okay, so let us see what will happen if you put it only two. Okay, see here, now it is a little bit slow. Okay. Okay, now we have to use one more effect for this one. Which one? In association with. Okay. In association with, we have to use one more effect. So what is the thing? So we will actually go to the we'll check this organic. Okay, boiling. తేజస్విని అర్థమవుతాం కదా? తేజస్విని
Sir, maybe left.
Gone?
Maybe, sir.
So why people are going like this here?
We don't know, sir.
Tata Monday open చెప్పింది.
Okay. Okay, so tell me now how to apply this. I will apply this boomerang, okay? Boomerang to second. So what do you have to do?
Double click.
Double click, okay? So we have double click. See, now for the second one, let us start from here. Okay, but actually this is not nice for the second one. We'll try to see, so many things are there here. We'll check it, okay? It's not so interesting here. Let me delete this. See, you can double click, you can hit O, okay? You know what is O? Does anyone know what is O? Nobody knows?
O is to go to the endpoint of layer.
Yeah. Okay. See, I have deleted that animation because that was not looking nice. So let us check one more thing here. So already this bridge is open here. Okay. Boiling. Okay, this is nice. So many are there here. Okay, I think which one is nice? Boiling is nice. Okay, we'll double click on the boiling and let me apply it. Let us see how it looks. Okay, so we'll see from the beginning. Okay, is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
And for the last and final one, so what we can do is, see, let me actually first create one animation here, okay? Say scale animation, okay? Normal scale animation will create, okay? And then we will just keep it, make it big, okay? And then we will try to apply the this one, okay, the preset. Let us see how it looks. Flip up. Okay, it is a flip up is there, but still we will see for some more things here, okay? Okay, we'll see. This is nice now. Lasso tumble. Okay, we'll double click on this. See? Able to understand, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So you can see the animation actually. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So see, these are the some of the animations that we are available in our this one. So we can actually scale animation, unfortunately some we cannot move actually. Okay, is it clear all of you?
Yes, sir.
So here also we can, let us say, try reverse this. Okay, let us see how it looks. Okay, it's looking big, small. So we'll simply time reverse keyframe. Okay. Okay. So you all have to do the same thing. Okay. So this is your assignment
Yes,
for the
sir.
next class. So you have to take 3 layers. One is this Movie Maya Presents in association, and you have to use your own this presets, text presets. Everybody is able to
Yes,
understand
sir.
how to access the text presets. Okay. See here, if you want to access them, see here effects and presets are there. You have to just right side, you can see these 3 lines. Okay, you can see the 3 lines, and then you can click on that 3 lines, and you will go to this browse presets, and from here you have to go where, select this, that one. Which one? Text. Okay, is it clear all of you?
Yes, sir.
Right. So this is your assignment. Okay, you have to use the presets on these 3 things. Not only presets, let me tell you one thing. I suggest you to also try path animation for one of the text. Okay, and you can do the combination of both. Let us try to do the combination of both. Let me actually see. Let me remove these 2 things. Let us only animate this one for right now. Okay. So what we'll do, let me actually take a pen tool. Okay, let me create a path here. ప్రశాంత్ అర్థమవుతుందా? ప్రశాంత్,
సార్ డిస్టర్బెన్స్ అంతా ఆఫ్ చేస్తాను సార్.
వాట్ డిస్టర్బెన్స్?
కన్స్ట్రక్షన్ జరుగుతుంది సార్ ఇంట్లో, అందుకు.
Okay, and another person, where is that? Vishwanath, okay. Vishwanath, and one more person is that Vamsi.
Hi, sir.
అర్థమవుతుందా?
Hi, sir.
Okay, so see already, and Nitin is okay na for you also?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so okay, now tell me how we can put the text on the path. Anybody can tell how to put the
Mask.
not mask. See, your path is there, na? Okay.
Yes, path options, path.
And we have to select the mask. Okay, so now you can see. So now we have to animate actually. See, now it's now we have to animate this one. Okay, we'll keep it here. So we'll start down, and then we'll come here, and we will just, okay, let us go to home and spacebar. See that is animating along with the preset option. Okay, are you able to understand everyone?
Yes, sir.
So like this you can actually see, you can actually combine the animations. You can combine both the animations, and then you can create one nice interesting final animation. Okay, and in case you want want it to play a little bit slowly, so you can extend the layer here, and you can also extend the keyframes. Okay, let us see now. See, can you see that?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
See, now it's little bit slow. So means we have done both the animations now. Share. You can also do one more thing here, one more animation. What is that one? What is that one more animation? Okay, see here. See here, we have just now seen that now. Animate. What is this? RGB. Remember this now? RGB.
Yes, sir.
So then, what you can do? So we can turn on the color here. Okay, we will just increase, put the stopwatch. Come to this. We'll change one more color. See, and then again we'll come to where? Come to the 8th frame. Then we'll give one more color. So let me give it a yellow color. Okay. See here. Now see, we have 3 different type of animations applied to this one. See, hit spacebar. Now you see. Okay. Is it clear?
yes,
Yes, sir.
So 3 different type of animations. Okay, now I will ask you one more question. I want the work area, okay, to be only till 10th second. So what should I do now? I want to reduce it only till 10 seconds. Actually, we'll make it 4 seconds. Okay, I think 10 seconds is means it will be, the file will be very big actually. So what we'll do? We'll just bring back the keyframes. Okay. So let us reduce it's better to reduce the. Okay. Keep it 4 seconds. Okay. Now tell me how do we can cut this till 4 seconds?
Sir, the layer or the ruler.
Layer as well as ruler, both.
N.
So okay, we can say N, but let us trim it. Okay, trim the layer first. Alt and right square bracket, and then N. Okay, and then what you have to do next? Anybody can tell? Vishwanath, Prashant, Vamsi. Nobody can tell. Vishwanath, Prashant, Vamsi, and who is that other guy? Nobody is saying. Right click, trim comp to work area. See? Okay. See, now, see, I want to tell you one thing. See, when you are rendering the file, okay? When you are rendering the file, you should render it in MOV format, okay? MOV, .mov. Are you able to understand my point?
Yes, sir.
.mov. Let's keep it a little bit up. So because actually compared to that AVI MOV file size is a little bit small. Okay, even MOV file also you will get a very big size, but comparatively MOV file is smaller compared to AVI. AVI is very big. Okay. Right. Okay, Prashant, are you there? Huh? Vishwanath, are you there? Prashant?
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me now how we can render this. If I want to render the file, can you tell me? I think last class I told you this. Nobody knows? Last class. Nobody remembers.
Sir, file export render.
Okay, Tejaswini came back again.
Yes, sir.
But I did not tell you file export, right? Did I tell you file export? I did not tell you this. How you know means tutorials, huh?
Yes, sir.
How I did actually? We were actually selecting this one. See here. You can select add to render queue by hitting Ctrl M keyboard shortcut. You can also do this. Okay, see, you can also go to file export and add to render queue. Even this is also correct. Okay, but mostly I use this method. Okay, add to render queue. So then what do you have to do now? Tell me. See, you can change it to what? MOV here. Quick time. MOV means quick time. And then see here, everybody observe clearly. Format options. Okay. Format options you can select here. See here, so many formats are there. See. NTSC. Where this window is, see here format options, and where this format options is, here output module settings, and where this output module settings is, if you click here, if you click here, you will get this. Are you able to understand, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And then see here format options, and you can select the codec, video codec here. So if you want a little bit smaller file, you can select PAL. Okay, smaller file means it's you will get a very big file normally. And if you want a very high quality one, so you can say you can select a HD quality, HD 720 you can select. Okay, are you able to understand, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and if you take these uncompressed ones, you will get very big file, very large file. So always understand this. Okay, you can select this PAL DV. Best, see, for India we will be using this PAL DV mostly. 25 frames per second. Okay, understand that. Okay, so then what else we can do? See, if you have any audio, you can put audio, but right now our After Effects file is not having any audio, and then we will simply click OK. And then what is the next thing we will be doing? Okay, we will be just going to the desktop, and then we will save this file. So what will say? Movie Maya, then MOV, and then save. Okay, and then to render this, what you have to do? Simply click on this render. See 4-second file. Let us see how the size of our file. 14 MB. Okay, it's all right. It's not so big. Okay. Okay, actually because it is not having a codec. See, one problem we will be facing is
Sir,
see,
VLC player.
VLC player. But actually the thing is, okay, even though we are able to play in VLC player, you can actually do one thing. If you want it to play normally, so you can download one QuickTime player. Okay, see here, just you can type this download QuickTime player. See, I did not download actually. See here.
But VLC can play every form.
So yeah, VLC can play every format here, but actual this original format of the MOV file is what? This one. So let me change it to G drive. See, the only thing you have to remember is, it's taking time. See, the only thing you have to remember is the file size. Okay. See, always the file size is very important here. See, actually we have not taken a particular file means screen size. Okay, it's a little bit stretching. Able to understand, everyone?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
So this is actually the original file. .mov means it's the original file. Okay, and then in case you want to play it in other things, you can play VLC. VLC is nice here. VLC file is looking nice, right?
yes,
Yes, sir.
Even QuickTime Media Player is not showing properly. It is stretching the file.
yes,
Yes, sir.
It's
It's changing the aspect ratio.
Yeah. So you can select. Let us see whether it will play in Windows Media Player. So you know Windows Media Player, right?
It won't play, sir. The codec is not actually there. So.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So this is your assignment. So you have to see one thing I want to tell you here is, see, don't try to use the exactly what same things that I have used. Try to use some different presets. Okay. You have to use some different presets, and I want to see all the three things. Here I have only shown you one thing. I have rendered only this movie Maya. Okay, but you have to first show this movie Maya. Then second one you have to show this in association with ABC Pictures, and third you have to show the film title. Okay, clear now, everyone? Okay,
Yes, sir.
Tejaswini, clear? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. And I want all of you to show me this by next class. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Everybody has to show me by next class. Directly you render it in MOV format and show me. Okay. And see, I will just give you a brief introduction to effects, and then I will continue with the effects in detail in next class. See, from next class, very interesting things are going to start. I am telling you to everybody. Lot of interesting stuff is going to begin from the next class, and if you miss next class, it will be a very loss for you. It will be a very big loss for you, I am telling you. So all of you, please be regular from next class. Many interesting topics we are going to cover. Is it clear, all of you?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Don't be absent. Okay. So see, just we'll remove the text here. Let me actually directly open open an image. Okay, we'll just simply open an image, and we'll just scale it. So then we will also open one more image here. Wait a minute. Okay. So we will drag it in the same composition here. Okay. Right. See, we are having two things. See here, just I will just show you some a simple effect here. Okay, so see here, simply right click, and you can apply effect. See, a very big list of effects are there here. It's a very big list. So many options are there here. Okay, but I will start with a simple transition effects. Okay, I will start with a simple transition effect, and we will be covering in detail about the effects, each and every effect from the next class. Okay, so this is what see, what is this here, third class or fourth class?
Third class.
Third class, right? Okay. Okay, see here, transitions. Okay, so I will just apply a simple linear wipe transition. Okay, linear wipe. So how did I apply that? Simply right click, effect, transition, and linear wipe. So I have applied it like this, but instead of applying it in such a lengthy manner, okay, so you can also do one thing, that is, here see on effects, here you can see a search box here. Okay, everybody can see this, right? Search box. Okay, everybody can see this.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
See, just type linear wipe. If you know the name of the effect, you can simply type the name of the effect in that search box. But in case you don't know the name, you can access that by right clicking on the layer. Okay, so just simply select the linear wipe and then I will drag it to the this one. Drag it to our image. Okay, is it clear? So then what is the next thing we have to do? See here, you can actually see do some transition effect. See, and you can see the moment you apply that linear wipe, what happens? That linear wipe appears near the project panel. So this is the project panel. It appears near the project panel, but instead of using the linear wipe from the projects panel, okay, you can animate it directly from the layer. So it will appear inside the layer also. Okay, you simply double click U, not O, sorry, U. If you double click U, what happens? It will open this layer will be closed by default, and if you double click U double time, it will open this layers panel. Okay, and it will show you the list of all the effects and transforms. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yeah.
right. See here, we got a simple animation. Already it has animated, means we have not animated anything. Already it applies with some default animation, and we can change this animation actually. See here. Like this. So see here, if you want the animation to play a little bit slowly, so you can actually increase it. You can increase it to 2 seconds and space bar. See, now it's playing very slowly. Okay, and see here you can see this. It is the edge is very sharp here. If you want soft edge, what you can do? See, you have options here. See, I will show you here. See, feather. What is feather? You know feather, right? What is the shortcut for feather in Photoshop? Anybody can tell?
Shifter.
Very good. Okay. See here, I have given feather. See now, you can see that feather. Okay, and here also we have another thing is wipe angle. Wipe angle. See, we can actually change the angle also. See, now it is going there like this. Okay, it's very easy actually. And then see, you can actually see transition completion is there. Okay, this is the main thing actually. And if you click the stopwatch here, what happens? The entire animation is gone. Okay, able to understand everyone? The entire animation is gone, and just you can hit that reset button. So everything is gone now. So all the animation, everything is gone. So now what is the next thing we can do? See, we can do it manual animation now. Okay, so what I will do, I will simply click the stopwatch here at 1 second. Okay, 1 second I am hitting the stopwatch, and 2 seconds I will just simply increase the transition. Okay, see, the image will show till the first second, and then from first second it will disappear. Okay, in the same way, I want this second image to stay till I want to apply a transition for the second image. Okay, and we will also take a third image here. Are you all getting my point?
Yes, sir.
So I have taken a third image and I will just simply drag it here, and I want the second image. Let me increase the size. See, I want the second image to be visible till the third second. Okay, and then I will from third second it should disappear. Is it clear, all of you? So I will apply the transition, but I want one thing here. We can actually cut this a little bit, right? Okay, no need of cutting. Let's keep it like this. We'll just say transition, and we can select radial wipe. We have already seen linear wipe. We'll see the radial wipe now. So what is the radial wipe? See here. Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
See, this is the radial wipe, and actually it should come from the center. So you can see the wipe center. See, can you all see the wipe center? So you can keep the wipe center at the exactly at the middle, and then so we can actually animate it, right? But it should start from where? Should start from third second, and we can animate it from this also, from layer also. But better to animate it always from the layers. So I will turn on this transition completion, and then we'll go to the fourth second, and then what we'll do? See, like this. Okay. So if you play from the beginning, see, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So first one is linear wipe, second one is radial wipe. Okay, and then for radial wipe also, and one more thing, see, actually it's 4 seconds is very small, so we'll do one thing. Right click, new, right click, composition settings, and we will increase the duration to 8 seconds. Okay, and then simply click OK, and then we will see, actually the last one is very small. So what is we can increase, see, because this is a JPG file now, you can increase the layer, no problem. Able to understand, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Because this is a JPG file, you can increase. Okay, you can increase the duration, and you can then take if in case you want to take one more image, you can take. You can take the one more image, keep it here, and then you want you try to apply one more this one. What is this? Transition. Okay, transition, and we will apply this jaws. It will be nice. Okay, jaws. So for this one, and see here. So let me start the animation from where? From 5th second, and then stopwatch, and then what we'll do now? So we will continue till this one. Which one? 6th second. See here, everybody see. So you can increase the spikes width. So you can say spikes, blocks, or you can use waves. Okay, but actually spikes is nice. Okay, and you can actually change the direction also. Okay, see here, and then you can simply increase it. Able to understand, everyone?
Sir.
Okay, now we will see the overall animation. Okay, space bar, see, linear wipe, radial wipe, and jaws. Okay, now?
Yes, sir.
So this is a simple animation. Okay, so okay, I will give you the assignment on this effects in the next class. Okay, So now all of you can
sir.
sign out. Do the assignment. Don't forget. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, right, bye. Hello? చెప్పు చెప్పు